Hello everybody, welcome back to Ohio Tickets with Robert. We have a Cashword extravaganza. Well, not really extravaganza, it's only three. It's the $5 Cashword, the new $10 Cashword. Well, the $5 is a new one also. They've changed the way that the design. They changed the design colors on the $10 one. And then there's the $20 $1 million Cashword. We have number 37 for the $5. We have the odds are 1 out of 4.11. And don't have any words. So we'll see what happens. Try zooming in, maybe that might help. Alright, so we have 5 letters left to go. So let's see what we can do. This is probably going to be a long one. That's 6. Alright, we have our first word, use. Let's go up here. There's an S there. An S there. An S there. Alright, so let's see what our next one is going to be. We have the letter D. Okay. Let's go back up here. A couple of D's. Oh, there's quite a few. Another one there. Oh, there's one over here. Alright, so we have digest is our first word on the top. Each puzzle is played separately, so we need 3 words at least for a win. So let's see what our next letter is going to be. The letter F. And yes, we have we have 2 F's right here. So now we have beef and use. So do we have any F's up here? Yes, we do. Alright, that looks like the only F, so let's go back down to the letters. Second to the last letter is the letter Y. Unfortunately, no Y here. So let's see, do we have any Y's up here? We have one there. We have one there. We have there. Okay, that looks like that's it. Last letter for the $5 is an H. No H on the puzzle 2. Bonus word is out of play now. Alright, we have the word hop for our second word. Okay, so looks like puzzle number, or the $5 Cashword G's is a bust. Now this new $10 or vamped up color one is $10. It's $500,000 Cashword. It's number 14. The odds 1 out of 3.69. And we have no words at the top. And we have none at the bottom. We have only 4 letters left to reveal. So let's get at it. We have the letter Y. Okay. There's a Y right there. And that's the only Y down on the lower half. And that looks like it's the only Y altogether. Okay. That was quick. The letter U now. Alright, we have a U there. We have one here. One there. One there. Okay. We have a U there. A U there. A U there. One there. Okay, that's interesting. Second to last letter. Oops, sorry. Is the letter A. Okay, we do have a letter A there, so we have Rome is our first word on the bottom puzzle. We have an A there. We have an A there. All right, but we need 2 words down here along with 2 words up here for a win. Or we need all 4 black words for a win. Okay, we have the word brass. Okay, so let's see what this last letter is going to be. It's the letter D. A D there. A D. A D there. Unfortunately, no wins on the bottom. We only had the 1 word. And there's a D there. There's a D there. 1 there. 1 there, obviously. 1 there. Unfortunate, but this is a losing ticket also. So that's 2 for 2 that are losing tickets. Hopefully we can get something on the $20 ticket. We have no wins in the bonus words. We have no words on puzzle 3. You have to get 3 words for a win. Puzzle 2 and 1 you play together, and on puzzle 2 there are no words. Puzzle 1 we have no words. And we have 4 letters left to go. It is number 23. And the odds are 1 out of 3.20. So let's go. We have the letter S. Okay, we have an S right there. And we have a couple S's on this first bonus word. All right, let's see what do we have on puzzle 3. We have an S there. We have an S there. We have an S there. And an S there. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. Couple S's there. A few S's there. Alright, so still nothing yet. Let's continue on. There, we got a letter A. There's a couple A's there. And we have an A here. No A's there. So let's go to puzzle 3. There's an A there. One there. Okay, we have our first word, alas. This thing. Alright, so let's move up to puzzle 2. There's an A, there's 1. That's the 3rd one. There's a 4th one. And there's a 5th letter A. Unfortunately, not doing anything for us on these puzzles so far. A couple more A's. Okay, I think I have all the A's. Whoops, missed this one. All right, we have second to the last letter, and it's, make sure you can see it, it's the letter T. We have a T right here. Okay, and we have a T right here. Okay, what do we got over here? We got a T there, a T there, and we have a couple T's here. So now we have our second word. We have the word want. Let's move up here to puzzle 2. There's a T, another T. That's good. And those are the only T's it looks like in puzzle 2. So let's move on to puzzle 1. Puzzle 1 has a few T's. Unfortunately, that's it. Does not produce any words whatsoever, and we only have this last letter. So I have a feeling we're going to be striking out all over the place. Yep. None of the bonus words have the letter O. Let's move over here to puzzle 3. Okay, unfortunately, puzzle 3 is done for us. Oops, I missed this P here. Wow, missed a few P's, apparently. Alright, I'm definitely going to have to scan this when I'm done. Okay, we have utmost. Alright, so we have our first word down here. Alright, let's see what we got over here. Okay, we got a couple O's there. You got one right there. Well, unfortunately, I must have messed up somewhere, because normally they would give us a letter, or I'm sorry, a word in here. So what did I miss? Oh, it looks like I missed a ton of N's. Jeez. I must have been asleep when I did this. Okay. Yeah, missed the N down here. Like I said, I must have been asleep when I started this one. I got an N there. And there, and N there. Wow. Whole bunch of N's I've missed. Jeez. I apologize. That must have been really zonked when I started doing this one, because I tried to get most of these scratched off before I even try to film anything, just to make it short and sweet. Alright, like I said, I'll scan it, and as I upload this and before I put it out there, I'll see. Oh, missed an O right there, and see what happens. But it's kind of weird that I don't have a word up here. It is really weird, because there's no R's. I got the N's finally. I have no X, because that's a Y. Oh, that's what it is. That X, that's right there. Ah, man. Alright, so, okay, there's my other word. So it is a losing ticket, in my opinion. I'll scan it, but thank you for watching. Sorry it drug out so long. You all have a good evening, good day, good morning, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.